Microneedling and PRP, the Vampire Facial Explained. What really is vampire facial treatment? It is a combination of microneedling and PRP, which is the platelet-rich plasma therapy. Does it sound intense? Let's break it down. Microneedling creates tiny controlled injuries on your skin. This kickstarts your body's natural healing response, and that produces more collagen and elastin. Then now, when you add PRP drawn from your own blood, spun down to concentrate the growth factors, when applied after microneedling, it penetrates deeper, accelerating repair and boosting glow. The result? Smoother texture, reduced fine lines, improved acne scars, and a radiant, youthful finish. And because it's your own plasma, the risk of reaction is super duper low. So, is it worth it? If you're looking for natural rejuvenation with serious results, the Vampire Facial might just be your skin's new best friend. Please like, share, and follow. Subscribe for more insider skincare breakdowns. And see you soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.